Hi, everyone, welcome to Style 3D Atelier channel. In this video, you will learn tutu making. For the convenience of make the tutu. Made in advance a corset. Next, let's make the tutu. Use the rectangle tool to draw the pattern, shortcut, S. First, draw the pattern, then adjust it. Select the middle point. Right-click to cut. Arranged points can easily overlap. We can first delete the patterns we don't need. Place the pattern in the appropriate position. Choose the free sewing tool. Shortcut, M. Choose the skirt edge for the first line. For the second line, choose the top edge from left to right, so while holding the Shift key. Simulate. Adjust. Draw a centerline in the skirt piece. Right-click on the centerline and choose to cut. Right-click to apply symmetry with seam. The purpose is to adjust simultaneously later. Choose the skirt edge, right-click, offset pattern outline. The direction choose to retract. Shrink to the desired length. Click to simulate. Adjust. Adjust the pattern under the Select tool. Delete unnecessary points and simulate to pull. Make the puffiness of the tutu larger. On the other side, right-click to use symmetry, the shape. Edit the sewing line. Select the center sewing line and delete the sewing line's normal in the property editing window. In this way, during our production, we can make it symmetrical on both sides and adjust simultaneously. Also, the middle won't show the sewing line, making it look like a whole piece. Adjust. Right-click to use symmetry, the shape. The current piece is roughly adjusted to the level we need. Select the front skirt piece, right-click, and choose Symmetry Pattern with Seam. Symmetry. To make our back piece. By adjusting the pendulum position. After adjusting, select the pattern and right-click to remove linked editing. Freeze the completed front piece. Next, sew the back piece. Use the segment sewing tool. Click to simulate. You can see that our back piece has been sewn. Sew the side seams. Click to simulate. The right side seam. Unfreeze. Click to simulate. We can also right-click to use symmetry, the shape. Simulate again. Make it more symmetrical on both sides. Once the basic shape is completed, we can reduce the particle distance in the property editing window. Gradually adjust the particle distance. Reduce the particle distance to an appropriate size. Make the clothing look more delicate and realistic. Next, select the completed tutu and right-click to generate lining. Generate lining inside. Change the outer layer level to 1. Set the inner layer level to -1. Click to simulate. After simulating, let's set the layer number to 0. Right-click to choose to solidify. During production, you can click the right window to add 3D state. The tutu is now finished. We can first freeze the pattern. Hide Style 3D. You can import some pre-made gloves for matching. Next, let's add the fabric for the clothing. Click the plus sign in the fabric window to add fabric. Open the fabric we prepared in advance. You can also find the fabric you want in the resource library. Add the fabric. Select the pattern and replace the fabric in the property editing window. Select the parts that need fabric added. Add the fabric. In this way, our tutu is completed. Open the avatar's texture. Choose the shoes we like from the resource library for matching. You can adjust the color of the shoes in the editing window. Okay, let's save it. In this way, our tutu is completed. That's it guys, and I hope some of the tips will help your modeling work. If you like what we do, please liking, commenting and sharing this video. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.